Hello everyone, my name is Mario. Today I'm going to be showing you how to submit assignments on Google Classroom. All right, so here's just a plain page, so it's a blank page. We're going to need to go to Classroom. So we're going to go to Classroom, classroom.google.com. Okay, so you can see right here, these are my classes that I teach. But I actually have a class that I join as a student just as a sample so that I can help you submit assignments on Google Classroom. All right, so these are my classes that I teach. So in this class, I am actually a student. One of my colleagues allow me to join the class as a student. Okay, so the stream here, this is basically gonna be used as announcements. Okay, so if you have an announcement to give to your students, then the stream will be useful for that. So students, you will find announcements on the stream. The next one here will be the classwork, and classwork is the most important one because that's where you're gonna find your assignments. Okay, sometimes like before when I started teaching you guys at the beginning, I actually started putting things on the stream and it was a mess. So no more, you guys. Okay, we're not gonna do that mess again. Classwork will be the way you organize your stuff, and classwork will be the way you put your assignments. And students, that's where you'll find your assignments. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the classwork. So for classwork right here, here will be the assignments listed. So I'm gonna just pick right here the first one I see. So this one is mixed factoring. So I'm gonna go right here. All right, as you can see, my assignment is missing, of course, because this is just a demo, right? But if I was a student on the class, of course, I will always be doing my assignments. All right, so for this one right here, let me show you real quick. All right, so how would you submit it, right? So here's how you do it, pretty easy. So let's pretend that I have the assignment already. You can actually just go right here, add or create. And if you have an assignment that you want to submit from your Google Drive, click Google Drive, okay? If you have a link that you want to attach, like from Google Docs or Google Slides, then you'll go right here. If there's a file on your computer, then you can go right here. Now you can also create a new file, which is awesome. So if you were given an essay, then you want to start Google Docs, right? If you want to do a Google Slides, like a presentation that a teacher assigned you, then you'll go there, and a drawing or Google Sheets. But let's pretend that it's a file that you already finished your homework, so you're ready to submit your mixed factoring assignment. So you just go to File, right? And then you can go to Browse, of course. Okay. And notice right here is attaching to my assignment. And notice here that this one is already attached. Okay, this is my my image that I attached. So if you want to add a new file, let's say that the homework was 3 pages long, right? Then you can go to browse your computer, and now you have 2 files that have been attached to your assignment. Okay, if you want to create on top of that like a new document, so let's pretend that this was the work that you show for your math problems, and here was like a summary of what you learned, then you can do that, create a Google Docs for that. All right, so now the most important thing right now, you're gonna have to make sure you hit turn in. But before that, it's important for you to see a class comment. So if you wanna address all the other students, you can put a class comment over here. So like you can say, did anyone get a question, you know, number 2 or something like that, right? And then you can click this one, and then it's gonna post it to everyone. Now, if you just want to send something private to your teacher, right? You just go right here. So like you can say, can you go over number 2 in class, right? And it could be just something else as well, but I put this as an example. And notice that private comments, only we can see as teachers. Here, the class comments, of course, anyone can see it. But if you're ready to submit, all you have to do is just go right here to turn in. And it's gonna ask you, do you wanna turn it in? And then you go and click turn in, and voila, okay? Now let's pretend that you are using like Cami or something like that. You wanna make a change, you wanna unsubmit it. So you just click unsubmit right here, unsubmit, right? And that is already completed. All right, so you can actually take this out, As you can see right here, my assignment was completed. If for some reason there's no attachment for this assignment, you can just click right here, mark as done, right? And you can say, I completed my assignment. It's always important for you to write mark as done so that we as teachers, we can see that your work is turned in. Otherwise, we are not able to see it. So please make sure you're hitting this button right here, mark as done. And if you have attached a file, then you hit submit. All right, so there it is. That is done right there. All right, well, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching this, and I hope this was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that more people can view this content so we can keep helping students and teachers. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. That will help other students view this content. All right, well, this is Mario. I will see you on the next video.